7 tips to deflame your body and lose weight faster with tea now. Hey everyone! Welcome to the Everyday Weight Loss Hacks YouTube channel where we share easy how to lose weight tips and tricks for faster body transformation results. Let's help you achieve sustainable weight loss by tackling a common culprit: inflammation. Chronic inflammation can sabotage your weight loss journey, leading to bloating, fatigue, and making it harder to shed those extra pounds. But don't worry, we're here to help you fight back naturally, with the power of tea. So grab your favorite mug, and let's dive into the 7 best teas to help you deflame your body and unlock your weight loss potential. Make sure to watch until the end for one of the most surprising tea tips that can exponentially increase your chances of hitting your how to lose weight goals fast. Tip number 1, green tea, the metabolism booster. Let's start with a classic, green tea. This ancient beverage has been a staple in many cultures for thousands of years, and it's easy to see why. Green tea has been revered for centuries for its health benefits, and for good reason. From traditional tea ceremonies in Japan to daily rituals in China, green tea has a rich history. It's a powerhouse when it comes to fighting inflammation and boosting your metabolism. The process of brewing green tea itself is almost meditative, allowing the leaves to unfurl and release their potent compounds. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, especially EGCG, that have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage and can even slow down the aging process. These catechins don't just fight inflammation, they help your body burn fat more efficiently. By enhancing your body's ability to break down fat, green tea can be a valuable ally in your weight loss journey. Studies show green tea can increase your metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even at rest. This makes it an excellent addition to your daily routine, especially if you're looking to shed a few pounds. Aim for 2 to 3 cups of unsweetened green tea throughout your day, ideally before meals to curb appetite and enhance fat-burning effects. Consistency is key. Drinking green tea regularly can help you maintain a healthy weight and improve your overall well-being. Pro tip: repurpose used green tea bags to apply topically to areas of inflammation, like under your eyes for puffiness or on sore muscles. The anti-inflammatory properties of green tea can provide relief and rejuvenation. So next time you enjoy a cup of green tea, remember its versatility and the added benefits it offers. Whether you're drinking it for its health benefits or using it as a natural remedy, green tea is a true powerhouse in the world of wellness. Tip number 2, turmeric tea, the golden elixir. Next up, we have a vibrant and flavorful option, turmeric tea. Turmeric, the golden spice, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Its active compound, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that blocks inflammatory pathways in the body. Curcumin can help regulate fat metabolism, suppress the growth of fat cells, and improve insulin sensitivity. To make turmeric tea, simmer a teaspoon of turmeric powder in a cup of water for about 10 minutes. Add a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption and a dash of honey for sweetness. Experiment with spices like cinnamon, ginger, or cardamom for a unique blend. This golden elixir is not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Enjoy the soothing and healing properties of turmeric tea. Thank you for watching our Everyday Weight Loss Hacks channel, by the way. Please like this video, subscribe, and turn on all notifications to the Everyday Weight Loss Hacks channel. You're the best, by the way. Now back to the tips you came here for. Tip number 3, ginger tea, the digestive soother. Let's move on to another powerful root, ginger. This humble root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and culinary practices across the globe. Ginger is celebrated for its ability to soothe digestive discomfort and is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. It's not just a spice, it's a natural remedy that can help with a variety of ailments. It contains compounds called gingerols and shogols that block the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body. These compounds are what give ginger its distinctive spicy flavor and powerful medicinal properties. Ginger tea can aid in weight loss by boosting your metabolism and promoting feelings of fullness. This makes it an excellent addition to your daily routine if you're looking to shed a few pounds. The thermogenic properties of ginger can temporarily increase your body temperature, leading to a slight increase in calorie expenditure. This means you can burn more calories just by enjoying a warm cup of ginger tea. To make ginger tea, simmer a few slices of fresh ginger root in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. The longer you simmer, the stronger the flavor and the more potent the tea. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for an extra zing and a boost of vitamin C. You can also add a touch of honey to sweeten the tea and enhance its soothing properties. Ginger tea can also soothe a sore throat and relieve nausea. It's a go-to remedy for many when they're feeling under the weather. reach for a warm cup of ginger tea and experience its soothing and healing properties. Whether you're looking to improve digestion, boost your metabolism, or simply enjoy a comforting drink, ginger tea is a wonderful choice. Tip number 4, matcha tea, the antioxidant powerhouse. Now let's talk about matcha, the vibrant green tea that's been taking the world by storm. Matcha is essentially green tea on steroids, made from finely ground green tea leaves. It's loaded with catechins, just like regular green tea, but in even higher concentrations. These antioxidants help protect your body against free radical damage, reduce inflammation, and promote overall health. Matcha also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and focus without the jitters. To prepare matcha, add a teaspoon of matcha powder to a bowl, add hot water and whisk vigorously until frothy. You can also add matcha to smoothies, lattes, or baked goods for a nutritious and flavorful boost. Enjoy the antioxidant powerhouse that is matcha tea. Before we reveal the next effective how to deflame the body and lose weight faster with tea tip, just a polite reminder that there are resources in the Everyday Weight Loss Hacks YouTube description box that you can click on that can help you speed up your weight loss results starting today. Make sure to check them out after the video so you can start seeing a better looking body in almost no time. Now, on to the next tip. Tip number 5, chamomile tea, the stress buster. Let's face it, stress is a part of life. Whether it's work, family, or just the daily grind, stress can creep up on us in many forms. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on our bodies, leading to inflammation, weight gain, and other health issues. It can affect our sleep, our mood, and even our relationships. Chamomile tea has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and sleep. This herbal remedy is cherished for its soothing properties and delightful aroma. Chamomile contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to certain receptors in your brain that may promote sleepiness and reduce anxiety. This makes it an excellent natural remedy for those restless nights. Chamomile tea can help lower cortisol levels, reducing inflammation and promoting a sense of calm. Lower cortisol levels mean less stress and a more balanced mood. It also aids in digestion and reduces bloating with its antispasmodic properties. This can be particularly helpful after a heavy meal or when experiencing digestive discomfort. Make chamomile tea a part of your bedtime ritual. The simple act of brewing and sipping tea can be a calming routine that signals your body to wind down. Brew a cup about 30 minutes before bed and sip on it slowly while you unwind. This can help you transition from the busyness of the day to a more relaxed state. The warmth and calming properties of chamomile tea can help signal your body that it's time to relax and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Enjoy the tranquility that comes with this ancient herbal remedy. We here at Everyday Weight Loss Hacks channel want to know, have you tried any of these personally? If so, which ones? Which ones would you consider trying in the future? Feel free to share your experiences in the comments. We would love to see it. We would love to hear from you. The best comments get a heart. Feel free to share this video with a friend too. Tip number 6, white tea, the fat fighter. Now let's talk about white tea, the most delicate and least processed of all the true teas. White tea retains a higher concentration of antioxidants, making it a powerhouse for fighting inflammation. One study found that white tea can inhibit the formation of new fat cells, making it valuable for weight management. It's a refreshing and hydrating alternative to sugary drinks, naturally low in calories and caffeine. To brew white tea, steep a teaspoon of loose leaf tea or a tea bag in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Enjoy it hot or cold, and add a squeeze of lemon, a few sprigs of mint, or your favorite berries for extra flavor. Embrace the fat-fighting benefits of white tea. Tip number 7, Pu-erh Tea, the Digestive Aid, Pu-erh Tea, a unique and fermented tea enjoyed for centuries in China. Pu-erh tea undergoes a special fermentation process that gives it its distinct earthy aroma and flavor. It's rich in probiotics, which support a healthy gut microbiome, crucial for digestion and overall well-being. Pu-erh tea can help reduce body weight, body mass index, and waist circumference. It works by regulating enzymes involved in fat metabolism, helping your body break down and utilize fat more efficiently. To brew Pu-erh tea, steep a tea bag or a teaspoon of loose leaf tea in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Enjoy it plain or add a touch of honey or lemon to taste. Watch this next Everyday Weight Loss Hacks video to lose weight even faster now.